Hi guys, it's your girl Jakara and welcome back to my channel. For returning subscribers, for subscribers thinking about joining, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video and comment, join the family. Before we get into the meat of the video, I just want to give a major shout out to my subscribers of the week. Thank you for liking, commenting, engaging with my videos, sharing, doing what y'all do, supporting me however y'all can. Without y'all, I would not be here. So again, big thanks to y'all. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I pre-recorded myself building my newer ring light that I got from Amazon for Amazon Prime Day, which is October 13th and 14th. Thanks to my mom. Shout out to you. Love you so much. I love the ring light. To give y'all some details about the ring light that I ordered was the 18-inch LED dimmable ring light by NEEWER. Originally, when I sent the link to my mom, it was $84.99, but because she bought it on Amazon Prime Day, she got it for way cheaper. I think she got it for about $10 to $12 cheaper, so it ended up coming out to $70 plus a little tax and shipping and handling, if I'm not mistaken. But she has Amazon Prime, so I don't think she paid for shipping. Right now, I'm just unboxing everything so you guys can see what it looks like when it comes in its packaging and what it looks like when you take it all out for the very first time. What a perfect time to answer some of your questions. So for some of you not paying attention to me in the main frame and looking in the back, yes, I do have an upstairs. Mind your business. Stop focusing on that. Focus on me. The ring light and me are right there, not behind what's behind me. Focus. I'm also here to remind you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Like the video, comment, and share it if you're feeling generous. Dang, we at the end already. Thank you guys for tuning into my video. If you would like to see how much better the quality of my videos are, I will link 2 videos that I've recorded since having this ring light in the description. Again, thank you for watching. I guys hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see y'all in my next video.